In the manufacturing industry, a form tool refers to a type of cutting tool that is used to create a specific shape or form on a workpiece. This tool is typically made from high-speed steel, carbide, or ceramic and is designed to be used in a lathe or similar machining equipment. The form tool is used to create complex shapes that would be difficult or impossible to achieve using traditional machining methods. The process of using a form tool begins with the design of the desired shape or form. The form tool is then carefully machined to match this design, and it is mounted in the lathe or other machining equipment. The workpiece is then rotated against the form tool, which cuts away the excess material to create the desired shape or form. This process can be repeated multiple times to create multiple parts with the same shape or form. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom machined parts for a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, and medical. The company has extensive experience with form tools and uses them regularly in its manufacturing processes to create complex shapes and forms with precision and accuracy. If you are interested in learning more about this topic and how they can be used in your manufacturing processes, you can visit the Berkness Company website and go to the Contact Us page. There, you can fill out a form to request more information, or you can call or email the company directly to speak with a representative. The team at Berkness Company is highly knowledgeable about form tools and can help you determine if they are the right solution for your manufacturing needs. With their expertise and experience, they can provide you with the guidance and support you need to make informed decisions about your manufacturing processes and ensure that you are able to achieve the best possible results. What is a form tool in manufacturing? A form tool is a cutting tool used in manufacturing to create a specific shape or form on a workpiece. It is typically made of high-speed steel or carbide and is designed to be used on a lathe or other machining equipment. How is a form tool used in manufacturing? A form tool is used by mounting it onto a lathe or other machining equipment and then using it to cut a specific shape or form into a workpiece. The tool is designed to be used in a single pass, which means that it can create the desired shape or form in one operation. What are the benefits of using a form tool in manufacturing? Using a form tool in manufacturing can offer several benefits, including increased efficiency, improved accuracy, and reduced costs. Also, the manufacturers can create complex shapes and forms quickly and accurately, which can help to reduce the time and cost associated with producing a workpiece. Additionally, this process can be used to create parts with tight tolerances, which can improve the overall quality of the finished product. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.